Get the reaction to that one.
Can't believe you really hit me.
I tried turning and didn't turn, like it just slid.
You're about to watch as we uproot this tree with our bare fucking hands.
Bare hands.
Oh, well,
bare hands.
Well, I'm gonna go. Well, we could go bare. It's kind of.
Look at these palms.
Hey, well, I'm falling, bro.
I'm sorry.
All right, let's go.
This tree got him. I'm out. I'm down. Man down. Call ski patrol.